All right, so next on the agenda, since I completely messed up, I'm just gonna give it a good clean, and then we're gonna heat wrap this, and then I guess we'll start. I guess we're just coming across problem after problem after problem, but I guess it's part of no winning, right? Should have already known. Should have already known that, but trying to get all the grease off from the CV boot. Hopefully you can hear me. Turn off the fan. Hopefully you can hear me. The fan is off. It's just a little dirty, not that bad. I mean, it's gonna be almost inevitable, right? I've been driving it with it for some time now, so I can understand why if it's not like perfectly clean. Alright, so what we're gonna do, hopefully I have enough wrap. Ow! I'm already cut. Hopefully I have enough wrap. So we're gonna start wrapping from up here. Hopefully you can see this on camera. Oh no, you can't even see it. Wow. Okay, move this down a little bit more. Alright. So hopefully I'm gonna wrap from here all the way down to the end of the cat. Alright, so I know it's excessive. I know I'm gonna hear all the comments as to why it's unnecessary or why I shouldn't do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna wrap it all the way through. I'm gonna use some hose clamps to keep it in place, and then yeah, go from there. I think it's gonna be, I wrapped it on the silver STI and it did pretty good using this lava heat wrap. I think I'm like 25 feet, so should be able to wrap all the way through, so hopefully it works out. So let me get started. So after taking it off, putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, I think I did it like 4 times. I feel like it's probably the best it's gonna get. I know I didn't even get that far. I had some leftover wrap, so I think, I don't know which one this one is. Let's see. Lava wrap 1x50, so this might be the leftover to wrap the rest of the pipe. And then I was gonna try to wrap the headers, but I guess I'm not gonna have enough. I'm just gonna have to finish wrapping this one and kind of go from there. So I guess let me finish wrapping this one up, and then yeah, maybe I'll let you watch me struggle this time for a little bit longer. I ordered some OEM nuts here for the downpipe. I ordered 2 new bolts for the ones that go on the top that mount the heat shield bracket, and then here is the heat shield bracket. I don't know what happened to my original one, but this one will sit like so here. The 2 mounting points for the heat shield here. The one back here, and then there will be another one that we're going to use that I showed in a previous clip for the bottom part. So yeah, alrighty then, looks like I made another mistake. That's why we call this channel No Winning. I didn't realize that I ordered this a long time ago, and this looks like it's only 1 inch. I think this one was like 2 inches, so this is still 50 feet, but it's going to take me the whole 50 feet just to wrap the rest of it. So I guess I'm just going to save it and use it for something else, or I don't know, maybe I should try it. All right, changed my mind again. I know I'm all over the place, but I'm just gonna use this wrap. I'm gonna wrap it all the way down. The heck with it. It is what it is. If it doesn't look good, nobody's gonna see it unless they wanna get underneath my car and check it. So let's get to wrapping. I don't know how much I'm gonna show on camera because I think I struggled enough off of camera, but I guess I'll try to see what I can do. So let me see. All right, like I said, changed my mind. I know I did it a couple times already today. I did this top part with the first part of the lava wrap. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So I guess because of the weird shape of the top of this housing or mouth, whatever, it was really complicated. And then I ran out here, put a hose clamp, and then I used the 1 inch instead. This is the 2 inch. I used the 1 inch here, and I'm already basically down to the cat. I know I don't have to wrap the cat, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I have a little bit of wrap left. And then sorry I didn't get to show you all of this. Honestly, I'm pretty frustrated how many times I've had to wrap and unwrap. The 1 inch, as weird as it sounds, I don't know if it was because it was closer together, was actually less complicated and less difficult than the 2-inch. I don't know if it's because they're thinner and it's easier to overlap. I don't know, but so far it's looking pretty good. All right, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I can't stand doing heat wraps. That was like the worst experience ever. It took me, I don't know how many hose clamps. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hose clamps. Wow. Yeah, so here we go again. This is the 1-inch. This is the 2-inch. They're both from PTP. They're both the lava blanket, lava wrap, whatever they're called. I did the best that I could with all the weird curves and angles this thing has. So now it's just time to put it back in the car, and yeah, let's see how fun that goes. All right, before we put this back in the car, we're definitely gonna need a new donut. I just took off the old one and I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's already time to replace. So we're gonna put this new donut on here, Grimmspeed, and then we're gonna put this Grimmspeed. This is the top part, the one that connects actually to the turbo here. And then we're gonna use this bracket. We're gonna use those nuts, and we're gonna use those bolts, and that should be everything. Yep, this is for the header. So yeah, that's about it. Let me go get underneath the car and figure out how I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be a little interesting. Okay, get this. Here is the donut, brand spanking new. Just gonna sit on like so, and that's about it. Let me open up this one so I can go put it on the turbo already, so we don't forget it. It's happened to me before, we actually forgot it. I think this was the double thick, double layer, triple layer heat gasket. Okay, nice and pretty. So let's go put this one on the car real quick. Hopefully this Joby doesn't magnetize to everything along its way. Okay, we have some super tall jack stands, so we're gonna have to put it on like so. It should be maybe like so. There we go. There we go. Ready. Let me show you the old one that we took off. Yeah, that was pretty bad. So let me get the downpipe on, and we'll go from there. We'll go put this one in over there with the rest of the old ones, and let's get this downpipe on. After the downpipe, we'll start putting on the turbo blanket, and we'll see what we can do to show you what everything I'm gonna put on right now to prevent more heat soak. Here we go. There's already spiderwebs down here. Okay. Oh. It's still 2 cents of blood, probably. Okay. Let's see if we can get this bad boy in here without any major struggles, which, you know, there will be a struggle. Okay. After fighting with the dang downpipe, I'm gonna put this one on. It goes a little something like that. Okay, so we're just gonna run the bolt through. The gasket's still in there. This is just so I can run the heat shield that I purchased a long time ago. Can't wait to finally put it on. Okay, just wanna get a couple threads on so my downpipe don't fall anymore. These are the brand new OEM bolts that I ordered also. They're kind of expensive, like freaking 20 bucks. I think I've spent for all of them. took off the downpipe like 7 times. Don't ask. Just 7 times. So I'm just gonna put everything snug and then I'll go into the bottom and get the other ones pretty tight. Hopefully. The problem was that the hose clamp that I put on for the heat wrap ended up causing more issues than I thought. The wrap itself causing some issues more than I thought. So, trying to overcome every obstacle that I keep facing. One way or another, we're going to win today. I don't care if it takes me all day long. We're gonna win. Okay, I'm gonna go back and tighten the ones on the bottom, and we should be done finally. I don't know, after like 20 tries today.